10 or 15 or 20 years from today, some kid in those stands will have cured Alzheimer's or AIDS or cancer, or built an engine that doesn't pollute. The probability that one of them is going to do something spectacular that they would not have done without FIRST is almost a guarantee. Look at these kids. They're the future. We're part of it by helping them figure out what to do with their lives.
FIRST Robotics has completely changed my view of science technology since I entered high school. Before high school, I didn't really understand the importance of science technology in society and how you could do things with it. However, after experiencing FIRST Robotics, I can now see the many different uses that science technology have for doing simple things, and the importance of robotics in manufacturing other things.
Coming from FIRST Robotics, Team 1075 really taught me how to have teamwork along with programming skills, as well as giving me a mechanical aptitude for actually for accepting problems and taking them hands-on and trying to solve them with the team manner. So having team collaboration as well as having amazing mentors made me put those skills in my industry as being a mechatronics engineer. From everything from coding to working with others really helps and pushes me to strive better every day.
Well, mainly the software skills that I've learned. It sets me up for a career in many different different industries. It allows me to have a really good advantage going into post-secondary that most other people don't have, and sets me up for college and university more than any other team in the school.
Probably working in a group and being able to collaborate with other people, because a lot of the time with FIRST Robotics, you're not working alone. You're having at least 2 or 3 other people on the same task as you on part of the robot. So if you don't have that, then you can't work properly in the group.
Working on this team has taught me teamwork, because you have to work with all these people for 6 weeks, and if you can't work with them, then you're not going to succeed in building the robot. And it's also taught me how to use a variety of tools better than any class ever could at this school.
Okay. FIRST Robotics has re-inspired my love and passion for design and innovation.
Aside from learning technical and mechanical skills, FRC really boosted my self-confidence and helped me improve my communication, leadership, collaboration, and teamworking skills.
When I joined this club, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my future, but ever since I joined FIRST, I've really gained direction, and I know now that I'm going to go into engineering because FIRST has inspired me.
So FIRST Robotics has helped me a lot in preparing me for my journey, because my dream is to get into Waterloo Mechatronics Engineering, which is a pretty good program for engineering and for postgraduate studies, especially at Waterloo. And at Mechatronics, they'll have a lot of focus on the interaction between systems. So they have the computer or informational systems, the mechanical system, and the electrical system. So in robotics, we have all of those systems already, and we use a lot of interactions between them to try to complete tasks.
FIRST Robotics, very high up on that list. It's not like any other extracurriculars that are offered here at Sinclair. It's quite different. People call robotics a club, but it's more of a team. We go out, we do competitions, and we learn lots of things. It's not just something we go and do to have fun. There's actually a goal, and you can see a finished result of a product that you have spent so long working on. It's really cool to see at the end.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea, but as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea, as long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another It's easy being with you. Sacred simplicity. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually.
This isn't a robot. It very well may have hydraulic arms, a drivetrain, and a circuit board, but this isn't a robot. This is a lesson in humility, hard work, and collaboration. This is a CrossFit workout for the muscle upstairs. This is an apple for the next generation of Newtons. It's a lot of things, but this isn't a robot. This is a roadmap that leads straight to engineering. This is a rock to shatter 1,000 glass ceilings, a rope to pull a generation up and out of poverty, a sledgehammer to break down cultural barriers, and a universal language spoken in every nation on Earth. And because of that, this is a compass that can help point the way to peace. But please, don't think this is just a robot. This is Glastonbury for technology. This is mission control for the next moonshot. This is the Rosetta Stone to help translate the future. This is the sport that will help us win tomorrow. This is the software to program ourselves to cure cancer, build a clean engine, or step foot on Mars. But this isn't a robot. It's a machine to build the people who will change the world.